In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Elfsight Configurator to generate embed code. Let's get started. To generate embed code for your widget, go to your Elfsight dashboard and select the widget you want to use. Open it in the editor and customize everything first, including the layout, colors, content, and settings so it matches your website design. Once your widget is fully configured, click the Add to Website or Install button. This will open the Elfsight Configurator, where your final installation settings are prepared. A pop-up window will appear showing your unique HTML embed code. This code is what connects your widget to your website. Simply copy the entire code snippet to your clipboard. After that, go to your website editor, whether it's WordPress, Webflow, or a custom HTML site. Paste the embed code into an HTML or code block in the exact section where you want the widget to appear. Once you save and publish your website, the widget will automatically load and become visible to your visitors. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.